Diesel engines rely on compression ignition, are generally dirt-heavy due to the fuel quality, and can be up to 5 times harder to start in the winter months than gasoline engines. That is why choosing the best motor oil for your diesel engine will save you precious time and money, and will contribute to the overall well-being of your vehicle. There are numerous options for cheap motor oil, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable motor oil from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Castrol 03087 Edge Extended Performance 5W30. The Castrol 03087 Edge Extended Performance is a full synthetic oil that boasts an extended drain interval of 20,000 miles, or a full year, as well as 6 times better wear protection, and 10 times more superior high-temperature performance compared to its competitors. One satisfied shopper who reviewed the product 1 year after they used it in their vehicle wrote, "It's just as clean as the day I put it in. It's actually clearer now than other oils are brand new." Number 2. Best diesel oil for high displacement engines, Motul 8100 X-cess oil. Motul was the first company to develop a 100% synthetic oil, and it's still going strong. This 8100 X-cess oil stands out from most because it can be used in both diesel and gasoline-powered vehicles, and is great for powerful cars, having received approval from BMW and Porsche. One customer who values long-lasting products wrote, "I drive over 20,000 miles a year and I keep my vehicles for a long time, over 150,000 miles. If you care about the longevity of your engine, especially a turbocharged one, use this product." Number 3. Best conventional diesel oil, Delo 400 SDESA conventional heavy-duty diesel engine oil. Though conventional diesel oils may be harder to find in this modern world, some manufacturers produce them with enhanced blends that make them more environmentally friendly. The Delo 400 SDESA is one such example. Made in the USA, and meeting the low-emission engine requirements of some newer vehicles, this motor oil is an excellent choice for conventional favoring car owners. I decided to try this oil in my LBZ Duramax because I live in North Dakota where winter lows can exceed 40°F below zero, wrote one buyer who switched to this oil after using synthetic oils for 10 years. They continued that this is the absolute best performing cold startup oil, pour point, that is robust enough to provide acceptable year-round lubrication. Number 4. Best hybrid formula diesel oil, driven racing oil XP7 semi-synthetic motor oil. This hybrid formula motor oil also happens to be ideal for race cars. It has been manufactured with the protection of a car's camshaft in mind as opposed to the catalytic converter like most passenger car oils, and it contains additives that contribute to the reduction of friction and wear. "I love this stuff," wrote one customer who upgraded their car to make it more powerful. They switched to this oil because they wanted more protection, and were very satisfied with it. Number 5. Best synthetic oil for friction protection, Pennzoil Platinum Motor Oil. For diesel vehicle owners that value wear protection against friction higher than other factors, this Pennzoil Platinum full synthetic oil is ideal. This oil contributes to brilliant fuel economy, keeps the pistons clean, maintains the oil fluid, and keeps it safe in extreme temperatures. "I use it for both our cars at home," explained one customer who compared this oil to another brand. They continued, "The cars actually get better MPG when they are on Pennzoil full synthetic." That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.